So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this beautiful bow gele or bow head wrap. So first of all, I'm taking my head wrap, or you can also use your gele or your scarf, but it has to have a level of thickness to it. So now this is the width of my head wrap. You can see it's not so wide. So even if you have a very small scarf, this is one beautiful style that you can tie with it. Now what you want to do is you want to start creating your pleats. The dimension of this gele is 70-30. So now I'm just creating my pleats here. You may want to create 3 or 4 pleats depending on which you prefer. So now I'm just ensuring that my pleats are neatly and well arranged before I place it on my head. So now after creating the pleat, you are going to take it, you are also going to wrap this one from the back of your head. You're going to wrap it from the back of your head. Now the dimension for this particular style is 70-30, meaning one part of your gele is going to be way longer than the other. You can see it that there is a short hand and there is a long hand there. So you want to tie the gele at the center of your head. Just once you have brought it to the front, always ensure that your gele goes past your ear. It always helps to secure your gele much more. So once you have tied your gele, you are going to take the longer parts. You want to spread it out so you have a lot of width to work with when you are creating your bow. So I'm just trying to sample it to see how my bow is going to look like before I begin to create the actual bow shape. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to um pin the ending part. Basically this will just allow me to style the bow very easily, being the fact that I'm actually using a very small mirror, and of course I'm doing it myself. So you have to do what works for you, and of course how to make it very easier for you. So I'm just pinning it to grip that end together, and once I'm done, so once I had secured the pleats, once I had gripped the end part of the longer gele, I'm going to grip that end part towards, of course, the back of my head, while finding 2 equal halves that can form the bow gele. You can see it that I made a bend towards the other side, while I also made a bend towards both side, both the left and the right hand side. So I'm securing the parts that I already gripped together. I'm securing it to the back of my head, so that all I need to do is to use the smaller part to cut it across to make it look like a knot. So you can see what I've done. I have created like 2 equal parts. One thing about this is you have to watch it over and over for you to get it, and just have to follow closely. Of course, if you have any questions, do all to leave it in the comment section. I will be very glad to assist. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to be gripping it from the top to the middle. This is the top to the end, yes, just at the middle. This is to give it that scrunchy effect of a bow, like when you tie a knot bow. So that's to give it that scrunchy effect. So basically I'm securing it with pins. The only reason why I'm using pins here is just to make it simpler, yes, to make my life easy. So just for me to know where exactly I've already held down for the knot. Now you can see that small part, I'm trying to arrange it. You don't just put it across. If not, you can see it's going to look rumpled. And what we want is, we want neat work, we want soft work. So we're going to arrange it neatly. Try to fold all the extras inside so that you can cut it across. So I've removed the pin I used there, while I'm going to put this across to the back and begin pinning. So I'm going to begin pinning just to grip that part, and I believe the video is already self-explanatory for that, so just watch as it goes. At this point, this is where you want to take the gele much more very seriously, because this is where the beauty also lies, mostly in the arranging. So you can see I'm arranging it. While arranging it, I'm trying to make it as equal as possible. You do not want one bow fatter than the other. So I'm arranging it, and any excess that makes one look way too big or disproportionately big, I'm just going to stuff it inside. And you can see that the way we gripped it from the middle made it give it that scrunchy effect, like a knot. Well, it was just tied like a knot on my head. So it's just to, try to get it very neat. And here is the final look. You can see I'm just feeling myself, it's giving all that it should give. Here is the final look of the bow head wrap. You can easily tie this in 5 minutes or less. You can see the back is looking all neat and amazing. If you did not do your hair, you want to cover the back. If you did your hair and you wanted to show it off a little, you can as well have left that back there. Then I hope you found this video helpful. Do well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Do well to comment what you think. Do well to comment where you are coming from. I would like to know where my viewers are watching from. Like this video, give it a like, smash that like button. Do well to comment. Like I said, if you have any questions or if you have a tutorial you would like me to do, let me know in the comment section. And also comment where you are watching from. I would like to know where my viewers are watching from. And now lastly, do not forget to smash the subscribe button. Smash it like you never smashed it before. So if you haven't done that, do how to do that. Also hit the notification bell icon, so when next I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you first.